Welcome to the eDoc Builder training series. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the third tab, that is the libraries, and in the third option, which is the color palettes tab. In this section specifically, we are going to focus on the usage of color palette, that is how to build it, create it, and assign it with one of the form-based template. Log into your eDoc Builder admin with the username and the password. Once logged in, you will see a third option, which is the libraries. From the submenu, select color palettes. In eDoc Builder, you can use color palettes to create multiple custom palettes that you can selectively utilize throughout your template. Palettes can be made up of CMYK, RGB, spot colors. Each text field within a template can be assigned to any one of the palette you define. There are two reasons for creating a custom palette. To limit the color, a user is able to select two ink colors available in your particular printing process, or to provide users with a predefined list of colors to ensure the consistent design result. This may be due to the corporate design guidelines or the desire to use pleasing color combination throughout the document. Let's walk through the process of creating a simple palette for a custom stamp. Click on Add New Palette and give your palette a name. Click on Save. The palette will be added to your list of available color palettes. If you have a lot of palettes listed, you may need to scroll to see the new palette. Now click on the Add button. The Add Edit the Color dialog box will open. Give the color a name. The name you assign to the color will be displayed to the user when customizing your eDoc template. Choose the appropriate tab and define your color. Your palette can have a mixture of CMYK, spot, or RGB colors. CMYK. Enter the percentage of each color space in C, which is cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow, and K for black boxes. Like this to be a spot color, then click the option Is Spot Color and fill in the spot color name in the field that appears when the box is checked. So let's give some percentage value. And if you want to make it a spot color, give it a name. Make sure you click on Save. Let's add some more colors. This time we are going to select the RGB. Select an RGB option from the color grid. It's the hex code will appear to the right of the selection area. Or click the box above the hex code area to set the color to white. As soon as you choose the color, the preview will be generated. After you have finished adding a color, click on Save. After you have defined all the colors for the palette, click the Save button on the palette. Now you are ready to use the palette in a template. When defining a template, there can be several places to set which palette can be used. If you go to the template, and edit your template, for each text field, you can optionally specify which palette your client can use to select a text color. Go to the field setup, go to the text field, data capture, scroll down and choose your color palette. You can also enable the RGB color picker or enable the CMYK color picker. Make sure you click on Save. After making any changes to your template, be sure to click the Commit Changes. You can test your template in order to see the color palette option for the text field. As you can see, the name field has the option of text color. I can choose the color palette from here. Thank you for watching this video.